welcome to this Mind Our session. We find examples of metals everywhere around us, right from the large automobiles and airplanes you travel in, and the steel rods that hold your house up, to the vessels in which you eat and the water boilers that heat your water for your bath. However, our assumptions are that metals are extremely hard and very strong. But did you know that sodium and potassium are soft metals that you can cut with a knife? Mercury is a liquid metal. Defining a metal in chemistry, a metal is an electron donor, as it ionizes for electron loss and loses one or more electrons when supplied with energy. Metallic elements have 1, 2, or 3 valence electrons and tend to form positive ions or cations on ionization. The valency of a metal is the number of electrons lost per atom. The ion formed carries an equivalent number of positive charges. For example, valency 1 is univalent. Valency 2 is divalent. And valency 3 is trivalent. Let's go over some basic properties of metals. Metals are good conductors of heat. That's also why cooking utensils, irons, and heaters are all made of metals. The metal base in an electric iron is for conducting heat and not electricity. The property of metals to be easily shaped into wires is called ductility. The property of metals to be easily shaped into thin flat sheets is called malleability. Metals are sonorous, means they make a sound when struck with a hard object. Metals can be polished to have a shiny appearance, and that is why we use gold and silver to make shiny jewelry. Iron reacts with atmospheric oxygen and moisture to form iron oxide, which is commonly known as rust. Metals burn in the presence of oxygen to form metal oxides, which are basic in nature. For example, if you burn a strip of magnesium, magnesium will burn in oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide dissolves in water to form magnesium hydroxide, which is basic in nature. When a copper vessel is exposed to moist air, a green coating forms on its surface. The coating is a mixture of copper hydroxide and copper carbonate. Nails rust because of the moisture present in air. Sodium reacts vigorously with water and oxygen and produces so much heat that it catches fire. That's why sodium is stored in kerosene, to prevent it from coming in contact with moisture and oxygen. Red litmus paper turns blue in solutions basic in nature. Lime juice contains citric acid. Acids react with salts of metals. Metals react with acids such as hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid to give off hydrogen gas. Copper does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid even on heating, but it reacts with dilute sulfuric acid on heating. Metal reacts with acids such as hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid to give out hydrogen gas. Copper does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid even on heating, but it reacts with dilute sulfuric acid on heating. Metal reacts with bases such as sodium hydroxide to produce hydrogen gas. More reactive metals can displace the less reactive metals in a compound.